Hello everyone. Today we're going to talk briefly about the Bank of Japan and Reserve Bank of Australia decisions overnight, then look at this morning's UK manufacturing PMI. This is Marshall Gittler, Head of Investment Research here at FXPRIMUS, bringing you my European opening market comment. The Bank of Japan stood pat and left its policy unchanged, as was widely expected, since it just instituted the new method of yield curve control last month. It was really too early for it to make any changes. The key takeaway was the change in its outlook for inflation and the economy. It once again pushed out the projected timing for reaching its 2% inflation target. Now it apparently doesn't expect to hit the goal until spring of 2019 at the earliest, which, by the way, is after BoJ Governor Kuroda's term ends. Moreover, it said that risks to both economic activity and prices are skewed to the downside. Although it didn't take any new steps, the market concluded that its easy monetary stance would now continue for even longer than had been expected, and that caused the yen to weaken slightly. The RBA also left rates unchanged, but its view on inflation was quite different. It said it sees inflation climbing gradually. That means less need to ease again anytime soon, which sent the Australian dollar higher. There was no specific change in policy stance as the RBA left the last paragraph of its statement, where it lays out its stance largely unchanged. Meanwhile, oil prices continue to fall as investors are starting to doubt whether OPEC can agree on country quotas or production freezes with the non-OPEC countries. As for today's indicators, the rest of the final October manufacturing PMIs come out this morning in Europe and in the US. The UK manufacturing PMI will be the key one for the markets. It's expected to decline somewhat, but still remain in expansionary territory. An above 50 reading could help to shore up confidence that the Bank of England will remain on hold Thursday and therefore be positive for the pound. For an update on the U.S. indicators coming out today, please watch my North American opening market comment. This is Marshall Gittler, Head of Investment Research here at FXPRIMUS. Get more market insights on our education pages and turn your trading ideas into action with FXPRIMUS, the safest place to trade.